5 Unique Billionaire Mindset Traits Anyone Can Cultivate. What separates billionaires from others is primarily mindset. These are 5 unique billionaire mindset traits that anyone can cultivate. Very few people get a true glimpse into a billionaire's mind. It is a rare moment, and when it happens, there is much to be extracted. Billionaires have an unparalleled positive attitude. They see failure as a teaching moment and catalyst. A few key billionaire mindset characteristics: confidence, creativity, ambition, passionate, adaptive, scalable, energetic, leadership. The following 4 traits serve as your roadmap to creating your own billionaire mindset. 1. Billionaires think deeply. One of the most impact billionaire mindset traits is that they think on a colossal level. Billionaires are not thinking about, "I want to make another $1 billion." They are thinking deeply about everything that very well could net them their next big investment deal. 2. Billionaires keep good company. One hallmark that is important to having and maintaining a billionaire mindset is to keep good company. If you hold counsel with negative people that don't have a vision for the future, guess what? You will begin to mirror those traits. If you have a supportive circle that pushes you to fulfill your goals, you will most likely succeed. In many ways, it is better to focus on spending time with others who engage in positive activities, Art Markman, PhD, said. Even if you fail, you will seek your circle of more successful people to learn from that failure to succeed down the road. 3. Billionaires create their own destiny. Do you believe in destiny? If you don't, that's cool. However, you do probably believe in the future, and you spend your day thinking about how to make your future brighter. This is a hallmark of a billionaire. Billionaires truly believe they make their own destiny, or future, based on the decisions they make. This projection of energy into the future leads them toward action, consciously and subconsciously, to accomplish future goals. 4. Billionaires churn failure into success. Do you want to be successful in your professional and personal life? There is one simple tweak in your mindset that can usher success along a bit faster. Make failure a positive. Not all billionaires have success right out of the gate. It is a grind of failure that teaches them. The failure also serves as a teaching moment for mentors to step in and help point out positives of the failure. For instance, billionaire Richard Branson has had a number of failures on his path to 10 digits. You may not remember this, but Branson actually launched a soda company called Virgin Soda, a Coke and Pepsi competitor, that failed miserably. 5. The billionaire mindset is the broke mindset. When it comes to investing, billionaires actually have a broke mindset. They can easily invest in a new startup they feel has potential, but many won't. Instead, billionaires prefer to harness their inner frugality in order to become creative. The billionaire mindset is a rare thing that many only get a quick glimpse of. The good news is that those who have spent time with some of the most influential billionaires, and billionaires themselves, have shared the idiosyncrasies that drive their success. All can employ the key traits within a billionaire's mindset. It's simply the level of commitment that sets the billionaires apart from the rest. Are you cultivating that mindset? Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment our videos.